Imagine turning on your computer and being greeted by a Linux desktop that feels modern. It's polished, incredibly fast, and surprisingly easy to use. Over the past few years, we've seen dozens of Linux distributions trying to stand out with unique features. But in 2026, one name has started attracting serious attention across the Linux community: LuminusOS. Whether you're a Windows user looking for an alternative, developer searching for a reliable workstation, or a Linux enthusiast who loves trying new distributions, LuminusOS is creating plenty of excitement. But is it actually worth installing? Or is it simply another Linux distro with a fresh coat of paint? Today we're taking a complete first look to find out exactly what makes LuminusOS different. The first thing you'll notice after booting into LuminusOS is how clean and refined everything feels. Instead of overwhelming new users with complicated menus and endless configuration options, the desktop welcomes you with a simple interface that looks professional, without sacrificing functionality. The layout is familiar enough that Windows and macOS users can quickly find their way around. While longtime Linux users will appreciate the thoughtful organization and modern design language, every icon, animation, and transition feels smooth, giving the operating system a premium appearance right from the beginning. Performance is another area where LuminusOS immediately makes a strong impression. Even on older hardware, the system boots surprisingly fast and consumes relatively little memory while sitting idle. Applications launch quickly, multitasking feels responsive, and switching between virtual desktops happens without noticeable lag. Lightweight optimization appears to be one of the operating system's biggest priorities, making it suitable not only for high-end gaming rigs, but also for aging laptops that struggle with heavier operating systems. This efficiency means users can spend less time waiting for programs to load and more time actually getting work done. One of the biggest reasons many people hesitate to move to Linux is software compatibility, but LuminusOS aims to make that transition much easier. The Software Center includes a wide collection of popular applications covering productivity, multimedia, programming, education, and creative work. Installing software requires only a few clicks, and package management feels simple even for beginners. Support for Flatpak and other universal package formats means users can easily access thousands of additional applications without worrying about complicated installation procedures. This flexibility makes LuminusOS feel far more welcoming than many traditional Linux distributions. Developers will also find plenty to like here: programming languages, development libraries, container tools, and virtualization software are easy to install, allowing programmers to create almost any type of project without unnecessary setup headaches. Terminal performance is excellent, and advanced users still have complete control over every aspect of the operating system. While beginners can comfortably rely on graphical interfaces, experienced Linux users won't feel restricted when customizing workflows or optimizing performance for specific tasks. Security has always been one of Linux's strongest advantages, and LuminusOS continues that tradition with several improvements focused on protecting user data. Regular security updates arrive through the system's update manager, making it easy to stay protected without manually checking repositories. Built-in firewall tools are straightforward to configure, and software packages come from trusted sources to reduce the chances of installing compromised applications. Combined with Linux's naturally strong permission system, these features create an environment that's significantly more secure than many mainstream desktop operating systems. Customization is another area where LuminusOS shines. Linux has always been famous for allowing users to personalize nearly every aspect of the desktop experience, and this distribution embraces that philosophy completely. Themes, wallpapers, icons, cursor styles, fonts, panel layouts, widgets, and desktop effects can all be adjusted according to personal preference. Whether someone wants a minimal productivity-focused workspace or a colorful animated desktop packed with visual effects, LuminusOS provides the flexibility to make it happen without requiring advanced technical knowledge. Gaming has improved dramatically across the Linux ecosystem over the last several years, and LuminusOS benefits from those advances. Thanks to compatibility technologies like Proton and modern graphics driver support, many popular Windows games now run remarkably well on Linux. Steam integration is straightforward. Controller compatibility continues improving. Performance in many titles comes surprisingly close to native Windows installations. While not every game works perfectly, especially those with restrictive anti-cheat systems, The overall gaming experience is far better than many people expect. Content creators also receive a capable platform, video editing software, audio production tools, graphic design applications, streaming software, and photo editors are all available through the software repositories. Creators working with YouTube, podcasting, or digital art will find enough professional-grade software to build complete workflows without relying on expensive proprietary operating systems. Hardware acceleration and optimized drivers further improve editing performance, making creative work increasingly practical on Linux. Daily usability is perhaps where LuminusOS makes its biggest impact. Wi-Fi setup is straightforward. Bluetooth pairing works smoothly. Printers are detected automatically in many cases, and external storage devices mount instantly. These small improvements remove many of the frustrations people once associated with Linux installations. Instead of spending hours configuring drivers or editing configuration files, most users can begin working almost immediately after installation. Another highlight is the update experience. Unlike some operating systems that interrupt users with forced reboots and lengthy installation processes, LuminusOS keeps updates simple and relatively unobtrusive. System upgrades are clearly explained before installation, allowing users to understand exactly what's changing. This transparency builds confidence and helps avoid unexpected surprises after updating the system. Community support remains one of Linux's greatest strengths, and LuminusOS appears to be building an active user base. Forums, documentation, tutorials, and discussion groups continue expanding as more people experiment with the distribution. Beginners can usually find answers to common questions within minutes, while advanced users regularly contribute optimization tips, custom themes, and troubleshooting guides. A growing community often determines whether a Linux distribution succeeds over the long term, and LuminusOS seems to be moving in the right direction. Of course, no operating system is perfect. Some specialized commercial software still lacks official Linux versions, meaning certain professionals may need alternatives or compatibility layers. Hardware compatibility can occasionally vary depending on newer devices, and some niche applications may require additional configuration. However, these limitations continue shrinking as Linux adoption grows and more developers recognize the platform's increasing popularity. So, is LuminusOS truly the next big Linux distribution in 2026? Based on this first look, it certainly has the potential. It combines attractive design, impressive performance, strong security, extensive customization, modern software management, developer-friendly tools, and an increasingly polished user experience into one package. Instead of trying to reinvent Linux completely, it focuses on refining what already works while making the platform more accessible to newcomers. Whether you're thinking about leaving Windows behind, exploring Linux for the very first time, or simply searching for your next favorite distribution, LuminusOS deserves a place on your shortlist. It demonstrates how far desktop Linux has evolved and shows that open-source operating systems can now deliver an experience that is fast, it's beautiful, reliable, and practical for everyday use. While only long-term development will determine whether it becomes one of the biggest Linux distributions of the future, the early signs are certainly promising, and it's definitely one to keep your eyes on throughout 2026.